Sus, gaya na yun. Sige, dali ako. Ito pa mga sige. Dali ako. Uy, wala sa group to. Group to. Ikaw yung kisa. Nice. Hello. Uy. Ano, good na lang. Good na, sir.
Okay, goods na. Okay, sige, dali. Back to your group. Okay, let's check ha. Say Hanan sa mix.
Hello
Sila. And then the proper, the
Gamay.
Okay, very good. Say tawag sa babaw.
Numerator.
Very good. Okay, ang unit. Okay, 1. Unsay na bantayan sa unit?
Ang
1 ang numerator always. So, unit can also be a proper. Sakto?
Yes,
Kaya gamay man yung tumoy, di ba? Okay. How about the reciprocal? Okay, so what is in the numerator will be at the denominator. Okay. So, since you've got the correct answer, you will be having? So, asa manigikan? Okay. Kamsamida. Okay, get 1 each mga langga. Sige. Each one ha.
Thank you.
Okay. So, there are 2 remaining and this will be for the prizes na po next time. Okay? Okay. Sige. So, did you learn something tonight? Okay. Bye-bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Samida Chadyunim.
Hindi ba? Ako ba ba naman? Balik yung picnic.
Ate Kung Ju. How was your party? It's okay. Okay. Candid pa. Sige na, bye-bye everyone. See you.
Start na ka, balik mo po, ganda na ka. So, ang topic na karon, volume of a pyramid. So, ang formula niya, volume equals base times height divided by 3. So, example, mauni ang pyramid. Sorry sa mga drawing. So, mauni ang height niya kay 9 cm. Ang base kay 4 cm. Kung saan sa pagkuha para mawa answer. So, kana base kay 4 no? 4 cm times 4 cm times 9 cm. 4 times 4. 16 cm times 9 cm. So, 16 cm times 9 cm. 144 cm divided by 3. 144 cm divided by 3. Pila man?
48.
Ang answer kay 48 cm cube. 40 and times 4 cm. Mura na siya ma-exponent bitaw. Kaduha. Bali 2 na ara.
Muna na answer te. Nuwag na lang siya.
Oo. Nakakuha wala. Abaw na mo.
Bago na niti.
So, mag-answer na ta. Kaya nagkuha naman mo. Wala pangutana. Isa man mo pangutana mo.
Wala te ay.
Ito yung kaya para
Wala
masama
pa yan.
yung. Dali, yun naman.
Wala na.
O, wala na. Mag-answer na ta. ta.
Ganyan. Okay, so let's tackle about homonyms. So what is homonyms? Can you please read what is written in your notebook?
Homonyms are words that are spelled the same and also sound the same, but they have different meanings.
Okay, so nasabtan ang meaning. Nasabtan wala? Wala. So, a homonym are words that are spelled the same and also sound the same, but they have different meaning. So, ang homonyms ko no kay mga words nga pareha og spelling. Same sa ilahang pagbasa pero naa sila lahi-lahi nga meaning. So, unsa may given nga example dira sa inyong notebook ni number 1?
Bark.
Bark. Bark. So, duha ka bark no? Wait, basaha daw ang meaning sa first bark.
To make the characteristic short loud cry of a dog.
Then, ang sunod. Sunod meaning sa bark.
The outside covering of the trunk, branches, and roots of tree.
Oh, di ba? Bark. Same sila og spelling dili.
Same.
Same ang pagbasa.
Bark?
Bark. So, ang first nga meaning sa bark diha kay ang kanang hilak sa iro. Di ba? Mo nang naa diha. Nang ikaduha nga meaning, unsay meaning? Unsay meaning? Sa ikaduha nga bark. Covering sa tree. Kada bitong kahoy no, man siya kahoy. Kakuan mo to iyang gawas nga kanang murag mga lanang ang design no. Kanang if magpanit mo sa nim tree. O kana ba more siya panit sa kahoy ba? Sana sabot?
Oh.
Oh. Ang first meaning sa bark, hilak sa iro. Di ang ikaduha kay katong murag panit sa kahoy. Same meaning dili.
Same.
Pareha sila og
Dili.
dili. Diba ang homonym, pareha ra sila og spelling, pareha ra sad sila ang saon pagbasa, pero dili sila parehas og meaning. May another example. Sa man na diha.
Bat.
But. Same spelling, dili.
Same.
Same. O, unsay may meaning sa first bat?
Any of a gram of mammals that fly by means of long front lines.
Okay. So, ang bat kay bat nga animal, kana bitang mga unog chikos. Kasi tawagan na sa tuwa? Paniki. O, paniki, animal. Then, ang isa ka bat kay kanang magduwa mo og baseball, kanang panghapak ninyo sa bola. O, gitawag ko na siya og bat. O, katong kahoy nga, o, panghapak. O, mo po na siya gitawag og bat.
Ano nga sa'yo? Time conversion. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. 1 day is 86,400 seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 day is 140.
No, 1,440 minutes.
1 day is 24 hours. 1 week is 7 hours.
No, 1 week is 168 hours. Again? It's okay. Sige na, go. 1 week.
1 month.
1 week.
1 week is
168 hours. Again.
1 week is 168 hours. 1 month is 30 days. 1 year is 365 years. 1 month is 4 weeks. 1 year is 52 weeks. 1 year is 12 months. 1 decade, 10 years. 1 century is 1,000 years.
100 years. Again, 1 century is 100 years. Go.
1 century is 100 years. 1 millennium is 10,000.
No, 1,000 years. Again.
1,000 years.
Okay, so mag-study pa sa time conversion, ha? Okay ra? Okay, students, mungutan ako. Unsa ganitong 8 parts of speech? Ay, natanawin yung notebook. Ibutang na yung notebook.
And now,
Noun, pronoun, Verb, adverb, adjective, interjection, conjunction, preposition. Very good. Unsa man tong types of sentences? Declarative. Declarative. Sunda ko. Go. Declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. So, unsa man tong sentence structure? Simple, compound, complex, compound, complex. Okay ra? Okay. So, fighting.
Fighting.
Okay. Bye-bye. Manguli na ha. Mag-study at home ha. Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Nisan.
So today is your memorization day. Go ahead and start, Precious.
My letter red car. I drive my letter red car. Everywhere it can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good. Put your hands. Next, Chan.
My little red car. I drive my little red car. Everywhere it can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good. Put your hands.
My little red car. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good. Put your hands.
My little red car. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good.
My little red car. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good.
My little red car. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains. My little red car. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good.
My little red car. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week it took me to the mountains.
Very good. Everyone go up your hands. And goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Teacher Nisan.
Good evening, teacher. Good evening, classmates. This is a level 2 morning session. Our topic for today is all about verbal communication.
Number 1. Group communication. This is where more than 3 people are involved in a conversation. There may be more people this time, but the same rules. Personal communications. Each person has a chance to speak while others listen and respond at the right time. Examples: company parties, wellness retreats, or team building events are some examples of in-person group communication between groups belonging to.
Okay, Sachi. So, mauni imong question. Give me an example of group communication.
Group meeting and family meeting.
Okay, very good. Next.
Public communication is the practice of dispersing a message to the general, popular, or the specific group with the public include radio, newspaper, television, social media.
Okay, Karen, here your question. Why public communication is a very important?
Can help you feel I'm more comfortable around others and boost confidence.
Public speaking is a very important because it's a boost to our confidence.
Mass communication is the process of the imparting and changing information through mass media to large population segments at it utilizes various efficient primary example of platforms utilized and disseminate include journalists and
Question. Give me an example of mass communication.
television, radio, social media.
Okay.
Communication is the way you say something, pitch and cadence of your voice. It's a component of communication along with verbal and non-verbal communication.
Okay, Charmin. Why paraverbal is important?
Reduce by aligning your vocal expression with your entire message.
Okay, very good.
Feelings and meanings between individuals through verbal and non-verbal method. Two-way process not only the words we use but also our tone of voice, facial expression. It is a way to connect with others and build relationship and refer to communication between two or more people. Relationship, for example, active listening, emotional intelligence. It refers to communication between two or more people.
Okay, very good.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, L2. Kanang, you have to read. Unsa na siya, Riniel? Unsa pangalan na? Ha? Unsa ambot? Periodic? Table. Sige, read na mo. 1, 2, 3, start.
Hydrogen. Helium. Lithium. Beryllium. Boron. Carbon. And nitrogen. Oxygen. Fluorine. Neon. Na sodium. Mg magnesium.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go.
Al aluminum. Si silicon. P phosphorus. S sulfur. Ci
Chlorine. Chlorine mo siya, chlorine. Ana na siyang chlorine. Sige, 18.
argon. P potassium. Ca calcium. Scandium.
Scandium.
Ti titanium. V vanadium.
Sa pa nga? Vanadium. Sige.
Cr chromium.
Ha?
Chromium.
Chromium. Ha?
Next.
Manganese. Next.
Iron. Cobalt. Cobalt.
Next.
Nickel. Copper. Copper. Zinc.
Makaligaw.